Well, good morning, everybody. Before we get into it, I just wanted to wish everybody a very happy new year. I hope that you guys are already off to a great start. I hope you are taking any of your losses from 2025 and you're going to turn them into wins in 2026. I wish the best for you this year. As far as this channel is concerned, again, before we get into it, so this is the current project. This is the current video I am working on for you guys. Let me kind of show you around the project. All right, so it is a bookcase it's half bookcase and half cabinet down below, and there's two of them. Not only do I love this project, but I love that Rockler and I have actually kind of teamed up on this one, and they sent me these new and improved clamp-it system. And not only am I going to be showing those off, but I'm going to be showing off all the other things that make cabinet building much easier. But it's going to feature some cornices up at the top, adjustable shelves, beautiful cherry tops on the bases, some drawers with soft close, storage down below, and this is my favorite part, is this bead molding that I have around all the face frames. And it also has a lot of shop-made moldings. And the project, it's all, as you can see, it's all done, and the filming is all done, but the footage is completely gone. Temporarily. Let me explain. So, when I film a video, I store everything on an external hard drive just like this one, to keep the footage safe. The other external hard drive that I keep all my footage on, all my YouTube videos on and saved, failed on me. So to make a long story short, we went to 3 different places, and finally the third place told us that they were going to be able to retrieve the data on the hard drive. It's just going to take them a little while. So a huge shout out to Canton Computers in Livonia, Michigan for saving our butts on this one. You don't realize how valuable data is until you can't get to it, or until you've lost it, that's for sure. So huge shout out to Tyler. Our first stop was completely useless. So anyway, as soon as I get that data back, I'm going to finish editing this video for you guys, and I'm hoping if everything goes well, we'll get it out to you next Sunday. So thank you for your patience. Thank you to Rockler for their patience. We are going to get things back on track for you real soon, I promise. And I hope that you guys have a great 2026. And I cannot wait to get this project out to you guys, because I'm kind of obsessed with it. I love it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.